Welcome to Module 1 of the Alchemy of Character. This is where the journey truly begins. You've got your character sheet in hand, a name, a race, a class, maybe even a fun accent picked out. But right now, that character still feels a little flat.
I'm a hero in the system, breaking through the noise. Every edit, every echo amplifies my voice. Magic meets machine, heart meets the bite. We sing our truth in pixel light.
Ever built a character that looked awesome on paper, but somehow flopped at the table? Maybe it had all the right stats, but none of the spark. What makes one character unforgettable and another dull and lifeless? Today, we're flipping the script on character creation. Forget builds. Forget optimization. Let's talk story. Let's talk spark. Most beginner players treat characters like IKEA furniture. Follow the instructions, plug in stats, snap on a personality trait or two. But you don't remember characters because of their armor class. You remember them because they made you feel something. In great games, the best characters don't just hit hard, they hit home. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Don't start with your race. Don't start with your class. Start with a spark. A spark is a story seed, a memory, a fear, an object, a contradiction. You don't need a whole backstory, just one emotional hook that makes you curious. Let's build some sparks together. Start with an object. Look around your space. What do you see? A coffee mug, a coin, a boot. Now ask, who did it belong to? Why was it important? That tiny detail, that story fuel. Now let's add contradiction. The best characters are never one thing. A hacker, afraid of the AI running on his cyber deck. A mech pilot with claustrophobia, a paladin, secretly in love with a thief. Every contradiction is a reason to roleplay. Want to test your spark? Try this. Pick one emotion: fear, guilt, pride. One secret, one object. That's your start. All right, your turn. Look around your room. Choose one item. Ask, who owned this? What's their fear? What's their secret? Then post your one-sentence spark in the comments. Example, a bard who can't sing anymore but keeps performing to honor her sister. Characters that matter start with meaning, not mechanics. If your spark gave you chills, imagine what your group will feel. In the next video, we'll grow that spark into a full-blown soul seed, the emotional core of your new character. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share your spark in the comments. I read them all. And hey, if you've ever played with a character you still think about years later, that's what we're building here.
Step into the strange where the chaos sings. Every tale begins when the bell of the system rings. I write with sparks in a world misaligned, rolling dice through the dark to find what's mine. Pixel scrolls and bardic tones, satirical fire in a fantasy zone. Pet songs, heartbreak, and revolution rhyme. I'm a hero in the system, breaking through the noise. Every edit, every This hero's tale is just a guest in your scroll, but here to stay. We're the voice behind the play. I'm a hero in the system, breaking